Alright, so what we have here is a new 14th generation Dell PowerEdge R640, and today I'm going to be installing the boot optimized storage solution card, or BOSS-S1. Now this card here allows us to install 2 of the M2 drives for booting from in a RAID 1 configuration. So the first thing I'm going to do, go ahead and get grounded my electrostatic wristband. Go ahead and flip up on here. Now this might be screwed down, you might have to take a screwdriver and go ahead and loosen that screw right there. Then I'll let you pop it open. You just give it a little pull back there. And we can remove this top cover. Now toward the back of the chassis here, I've got 2 risers. I've got riser 1 and I've got riser 2. So I'm going to want to be installing this into riser 1 over here. That way I still have this space for easy access. So go ahead and pinch these 2 blue tabs right here. Just gently pull up. And as we can see on the bottom here, I've got this extra slot open, which is where the card will be going. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down for now. Now back to the card. We have these 2 screws that hold the M2 drives in place. The first thing I want to do is remove those. Got a Phillips screwdriver here. Just going to take these screws out, set them aside. Set this down here. I'll grab my first M2 drive. And it's really just as simple as inserting it in right here. Now you might be worried about putting it the wrong way. Good news is it will only go one way. So go ahead and slide that in right there, and then we want to go ahead and press down gently, and that screw will go right back in here to hold it in place. I'm just going to repeat those same steps for the second drive. Make sure that hole's lined up. Insert the screw back in there, tighten that down. Okay, now we're going to take our bracket here. We're going to install this card right into the riser 1 here. So how this works, if yours is anything like mine, it has a little dummy bracket back here. All we want to do is flip this up. I'll turn it for another angle here. We've got this little blue tab, and this just flips over here. Then we can just pull this free. I want to remove this little blank, and then our card is going to slide right in that spot. Now I don't know if I'm getting good lighting on this or not, but on the back here there's a little black tab insert in here. It has a little channel in it. We want our card to go right into that channel. So I'm going to line the card up over here and make sure that I get right into that little channel there. Just like that. I'm just going to evenly press down, apply slight pressure to insert it into that slot. Okay, click into place. You just want to fold this back down here. And you'll see that this little black bracket or insert, what it does is it keeps the card from being able to press down into the metal and ground out on anything here. So that's complete. We've got our two M2 drives in place. Our card is firmly inserted into the slot. Everything's lined up. Click back into place here. So now we're just going to go ahead and reinsert this back in here. It's very easy. Just line up this tab right here with the small groove here. You'll kind of feel it. Everything here will line up here and here. I just want to gently press down. And hear the click in. And it's really that simple. Go ahead and replace the top cover here. Just press it on, we push it right here, this little handle will start to catch. I just want to gently push down, and it'll click right into place. That's it.